My name is Sevgi and I'm at PGP UK. PGP UK was launched in 2013 by Stefan Beck in London, UCL. Since then we had about 10,000 people registered with the system. Of those 10,000, 1,000 of them actually completed the enrollment, and currently we completed 10 people, our first pilot, and the next 100 is underway, and we're trying to sequence those as well. Additional to the DNA sequencing, we actually report methylome and RNA sequencing. So we do whole transcriptomics and methylome, additional the whole genome sequencing. So with our first 10 people, we actually asked them to self-identify themselves to each other and to us. So we invited them to UCL, where they came and gave us saliva and blood. And it's a very engaged group. We actually we have Skype meetings with them, and when they came, they met each other, and they were very excited for the project. Additional to the DNA report, we actually report methylation analysis, and that actually gives these very interesting and very, for people, this kind of results are actually very exciting. And when they see how their methylome, how the environment and their habits affects their methylome, is actually very engaging to the population of the PGP, I think. Like you can see here that we report on methylation age from saliva and blood separately. And this work was done by Amy in our group. And with the smoking results, for example, that was very interesting. Most of the time it was correct, but then it was for one PGP 7, it was, although it said never smoke, but I think later we figured out it was actually passive smoke, and that caused that, like the result. Additional to actually sequencing people ourselves, we obtained our ethics approval to actually get genome donations. So now we can accept genome donations from anyone who's a resident in the UK, and we implemented that for the Illumina Understand Your Genome group. We actually got a couple of genomes donated from there, and now we're working on getting the Genomics England to be involved in that. And this is our next 100 kits that are actually being sent. It's a lot of work. And this is our group. Most of us are based at UCL, some are in Oxford, and I'd like to thank all of the people in our group, and I'd like to thank PGP Harvard as well for their help and support.